Introducing pest control supplies. Miracle Mesh vented stainless steel mesh and Riddle-Mice stainless steel weep hole inserts for best pest control applications. Miracle Mesh is flexible and universally applicable for cracks and crevices, holes, gaps, perimeter barrier, and more. Many cracks and crevices in the building function as vents. Ventilation is often important for the preservation of the structure. Unfortunately, these areas provide excellent hiding and nesting sites for small unwanted visitors. With the Riddle-Mice stainless steel weep hole covers and Miracle Mesh, unwanted pests remain outside while ventilation is maintained. Miracle Mesh is suitable for sealing holes, cracks in tiles, fascia, siding, duct, and pipe feed-throughs. Also excellently suited for an open cavity under roof connections, roof vents, and chimneys, and ground protection along underdecking. Both products serve us in how to get rid of rats naturally and how to keep mice away. And also the Miracle Mesh is for exclusion of bats, squirrels, skunks, martens, and birds in addition to mice and rats. Miracle Mesh is a flexible material in order to shape as needed, and it is easy to cut to size with scissors. Fold it, cut it, make rolls, all possible. Extremely durable and weather resistant. Now you can stop more critters with one single application, which is also a rust-proof exterior solution. We bring you practical mice control, pest repellent, and wildlife control solutions for do-it-yourself pest control homeowners, pest control companies, wildlife removal companies, and commercial pest control applications. Visit us at our website to learn more.